Xiaomi Mi 10i. The Mi 10i is relatively affordable but still offers a 108-megapixel primary camera, 5G, an IP53 rating, and Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G processor. It also has some neat touches including a notification LED, 3.5mm audio socket, and stereo speakers. It's available in 3 variants, with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Performance in everyday tasks is good, and even gaming pose no problem. The back of the phone doesn't get too warm when stressed. Camera performance was somewhat disappointing in the daytime and at night, especially the fact that the 3 secondary rear cameras are quite ordinary. 4K video came out looking discolored and there's no stabilization. Battery life on the other hand was impressive. Xiaomi Mi 10i price in market starts from 21,999 rupees. The lowest price of Xiaomi Mi 10i is 21,999 rupees at Amazon on 9th of January 2021. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.